You're doing a lot of talking with somebody that ain't do shit today. Doing a lot of talking.
Hey, stop talking with this dude, man. He ain't nobody, man. Stop talking with them. Hey, stop talking, man. Just play ball, man. Stop talking.
9-9, how you doing there, brother?
Ooh, man, the man. Here I come, here I come. You ready? Nah, Don't do that. Don't do that.
Not tonight, not tonight, not tonight, not tonight, not tonight. Better watch yourself, Neil, coming down there. Good job, buddy. You're good, you're good. I'm getting you. All right now, buddy. Good job.
You too big to be cutting. You too big for that. You too big for that.
Blue right side.
Throws it to the near sideline. Pulled in at the 25-yard line. Antonio Brown, they say, is a catch.
You think I was out? Hey, you was out. No, I dropped my feet. I dropped my feet, big bro.
That's one heck of a catch there to get the feet down.
Hell, you a big. You a receiver?
Hey, boy, you lost some weight.
You look lean as. You lose some weight. Me too. I'm like 15 pounds down. Let's just look sexy.
Hey, chill out. Chill out, bro. Hey, chill your ass out now. Chill out now. The play over with. Hey, chill your ass out now.
We ain't good till the game is over. Yeah, it be like that. Yeah, I'm in one of them type of moves.
Like, I got Porter, man. He's nervous, man.
Yo, you right? Hey, this is what he said. He said, I knew that was coming.
First play you called out right today, 5-5.
3rd and 2, looking standing, wings it down to the 5, a strike, and banging in for a touchdown. Dez Bryant catches Dak Prescott's first career touchdown pass.
Congratulations, boy. Appreciate it, baby. Oh, yeah. I went right there with nobody else. Yes, sir.
A lot of them to come.
Yes, sir.
Steady in the boat.
Oh, you already know.
Steady in the boat.
I appreciate that, Mark.
All right.